What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. I've got so many unopened boxes of shoes, which I call favor, because God has blessed me with so many different shoes that I can make videos on, so I can bring a little bit of the word to y'all too, that I had to clear off the table. There's still one box up here, and I think there's like four or five videos, maybe 6 videos I still need to make, but I wanted to go ahead and get this one recorded. And it took me forever just to find the right box. I think this is the right box. I hope it's the right box. First, though, a word from our sponsor. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross, and he looked up to heaven and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me? God was forsaking his own son, himself, in human form, Jesus. At that time, Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. And when I read that, I read it that God's never going to leave me or forsake me. And that's because I trust that Jesus took all the forsaking for me and for you too. And all you have to do is trust in that fact, that he took it all for you, and you get the sponsorship. Thank you, Jesus, for sponsoring this video. Hesper, this is my first shoe of this silhouette. I've never owned one before in my life. We had the chance, you were with me both times, had the chance to buy it. I decided not to both times, and both times I regretted deciding not to buy it. Do you remember those 2 times? Oh, no. Do you remember those 2 times?
No.
No. One time was at Hibbett, and the other time was at Foot Locker. Hibbett by Walmart, and Foot Locker at our place. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. All right. So you don't know what kind of shoe this is. This is an Air Jordan 9 Retro Black University Red. Black University Red. So apparently this is 2 colors, black and red. We were just watching Mike Rich. Do you remember that he saw that he had that black and white 9 that he talked about?
Mm-hmm.
That's one of the ones that I didn't.
I knew that.
You knew what?
There was that 9 that looked like it had asphalt on the bottom.
Yeah, that was the one that I didn't get, that I wanted.
Yeah.
That I regretted afterwards.
Well, I asked you if you were going to regret it, and you said no.
And I did. Like the minute I got out of the mall. Here we go. 2 colors, black and white.
That's not it.
No, it's not. But this is a Jordan 9.
Oh, yeah, I know.
This is the one that just came out. And I got it. And big thanks to Josh. So Josh is my friend. He's also my boss. And I think when I slept through it, Hesper slept through it, Haley slept through it if she would have even remembered to get it. And the rest of my squad forgot to do it. And no, I didn't sleep through it. It was while we were at camp. I was at the beach. And I forgot because we're an hour back, and like I looked down at my phone, it was like 9:15 Central Time, and I'm like, dang, I missed it. And then like 15 minutes later, he texted me. He's like, hey, I got this 9. Do you want it? I said, yep. Thanks, Josh. So good looking out. I appreciate it. What do you think about this one?
I don't like it.
Why?
I don't know. It just looks like really basic.
It is kind of basic. I do like this colorway. I wish this wasn't like neoprene. Feel it?
Yeah.
The leather, the white ones, those university blues, I think is what they were called. The ones that I didn't get, when this looked like asphalt.
Those look better than
I didn't like the asphalt look, but at least they were leather up here. And it was probably fake leather, but it was leather still. These also have the speed lacing system like is on your pennies, where you can...
It doesn't look like it, but...
I think it's the same idea though. It's not exactly the same look, but they work similarly, where you're supposed to be able to pull it up here and it tightens everything, which we know doesn't work well, but it works better than just the holes like in the Jordan 1. All right. This is a size 11. See, he didn't get a 9.5 by accident. He actually got 11, and 11, which is good. But I feel like I remember trying these on when we got those red, or the...
Oh, these are the ones that tell a story on the sole.
Here? No, those are 10s. Like this.
Yeah, but this...
Oh, there is one.
Yeah.
Daddy. This is
like there's
Spanish. Fuerza, intenso, liberte, and muerte. What's it upside? I don't know what that is. Maybe it says something different on the other one. Maybe it's in English on the other one. What? What? Undaji Athletis. That's definitely like Russian. Uhuru. Okay, maybe it's the same word, but in a bunch of languages. Okay, I don't know.
Let me see it.
Oh. Thank you. You see it? Got it?
Hold on. Okay.
So I think I may not end up keeping these, at least not for very long. I don't think I'm going to wear them because you're right, they're a little basic and I don't like the neoprene on top. I knew that it wasn't leather on top, and I knew that it was very similar to the material that's on the Chili Reds that I also didn't like.
Okay.
But the Chili Reds were just hideous overall, like too much red. Patent leather on a Jordan 9 where it doesn't belong. And this is weird. Durapontex. Jordan 9 Durapontex. This is new. It is rigid and it has kind of some arch support, but it really just feels like a more rigid, what's the name of that stuff? The normal stuff?
Shoe liner.
But what's it made out of? The stuff that we don't like.
Boost.
Boost. No, we like Boost. No, this is, so this has this booty in the inside. It's like a Huarache booty. You get it? Is it? I feel like the size 11 didn't work for me. Wear testers said that because it narrows up a little up here, the 9 will hurt your toe, your pinky toe. But I feel like the whole thing was small for me. And it was like this booty was just something weird. So I'm gonna try this one on. Maybe not right now, but I'll try it on, and I will let y'all know, at least in the description, what I think about sizing. Because like I said, I feel like it was for me, it was way too small. Even the size 11, or maybe they only had a 10.5. Maybe that's why I didn't get it, because it didn't fit right. At least in the University Gold, which was the other one that I didn't get. Do you remember that one? Mm-hmm. That was the one that was a Hibbett. And like I said, I think it was too small of a size, but it was mostly gray and black, darker gray than this, and just had some gold on it. But here's the red that's in the colorway. The back looks good.
Yeah, that does look good.
Yeah, this is the red that's in the colorway, but it's only black and red that's in the colorway. None of this gray, or the white comes up in the colorway. This feels, I mean, this is pretty much the same as every Jordan 9, the way that this is constructed down here. It feels really cheap. Wear an 11.
I like the way they do that on the 9s.
This?
Like these little...
Oh, this I like. Yes, this I like. It's this. This needs to be carbon fiber, like in the 11s, 12s, and 13s.
Oh, like a different material.
Yeah, different material. Just here. This is fine. I like this part, but not here on this. I guess that's supposed to be like the shank plate.
Why?
Just because I really like it on the 11s. It's easier to get out like this. This is dirty. It's a shoe I wear all the time. Not all the time, but sometimes. But I guess that's just what this is. This is the 9. This is the way it was made. They haven't gotten into making it with what you call it? Carbon fiber yet. So y'all let me know what you think about this. Is this good for a 9? Should I keep this as my only 9? Or should I wait till a more OG, like the OG colorway, like the Carolina Blues that came out last year, or the one that's just black down here and white up here where this is leather? Should I just hold out, go ahead and get rid of this one, hold out for one that I really like? I need to turn that down. Or stick with this one. So y'all comment down below, let me know. 2,000 subs is coming up really soon. I don't know when I'm going to post this video because this shoe released over 2 weeks ago now, so it's already going to be a late review. I didn't get it from Josh for, I don't know, like at least a week, probably more than a week after I got it was a week and 2 days after we ordered them, and now we're still over a week after that, so over almost 2.5 weeks late on this review. So I may just hold it, keep this review handy for the future. But right now we're at 1,944. That's what I said a second ago, right? 1,944 subs. So we're almost at 2,000. And remember, 2,000, I'm going to give away 2 pairs of shoes. One to my most valuable sub, whoever I can see has already been commenting on all of my videos and commenting something pertinent to what I say, watching them and commenting like as close to as soon as they come out on a consistent basis as possible. And there's several that are in the running with what is pretty much a clear winner, but it still may be another 30 days or so until we hit 2,000 subs, and then there will be a giveaway to a second place giveaway to one random commenter from the 2,000 subscriber giveaway video. So once we hit 2,000 subs, I will post that video. You'll have to be subscribed, comment on that video, and I'll give away a shoe to a random commenter. Something that I have here, which I have mostly size 6.5, grade school, 8 women's, 11 men, a couple other things scattered in there too. But make sure you're here for that, and we may already be there by the time you see this video because I don't know when I'm going to post it. But thanks for being here. Thanks for the support. Tell your grandma about these shoes. Comment down below if you like this one. Smash that like button. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Ah! Shoes.
And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.